Hi, my name is Kent. LokaLocal provide feature-rich technologies to connect global travelers to local experience hosted by local with unique skill and story to share. Local Expert enables users to plan and organize their trip digitally, connecting the users to experts who align with their travel needs. The goal of LokaLocal is to make each customer's trips personal and memorable. By matching them to locals who meet their needs, a customer can receive the best possible vacation and feel assured that someone will help them through the unfamiliar territory. Locals of a community can share their secrets of the best places to eat, have fun, relax, shops, or anything the tourist is looking for. Malaysians love Korea. The Korean wave through influx of Korean music, TV, film, and beauty products has surged over the years. LokaLocal will provide special experience which are unique in Korean market to the Malaysian traveler. To do so, we mainly focus on two experience, K-Wave related experience and Korean rural experience. We LokaLocal think travelers' memory as ours. We want you to make happy memory with us. Thanks.